what is up, beautiful people? Today I have the Boxycharm, Boxycharm. Today I have the Boxycharm, the base box for the month of March. This is a PR box. I do have an affiliate link. You guys know I like to keep it, you know, clear between us, honest. And I will have later on in the month the not PR boxes because I do also pay for the subscription myself. So my premium box is coming, my Lex box, my base box. So you'll see those along the line. Today I'm going to try to put here on the side the things that I did test out. I was kind of trying another thing for my Spanish channel, like another video. So I did test out these products, but I didn't do like a full try on video. So hopefully I'll be able to edit it out and put it here. If I'm not, I'm sorry. But yeah, so we're just gonna jump into this month's box. I did try out some of these products. I have them on right now so I can kind of give you guys my opinion. But this month is lucky. And like in my Lux box, I don't know, I automatically think of Britney Spears. She's so lucky. No, I don't remember this song. It's been a hot minute. Anyways, like I said previously, they changed these numbers here. So now as you can see there, it's like a huge long number. And mama ain't about to say all that. But first thing in here is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. And this is $38. And Boxycharm is $25 a month, but you definitely get your money's worth. Also, if you're not, if you're new, so Boxycharm is $25 a month for their base box. Their premium is $35, and if you upgrade to Luxe, I think you pay $38 extra like 4 times a year. So you get like a mega box. And I'm subscribed to all 3 because they're just that good. Also, you get to pick choice. You get to pick which products you're going to get for some of the things. And also they have Boxy pop-up where they have like discounted makeup and skincare and all, you know, even like lifestyle stuff over there. So you can definitely check those out as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in. And the first thing in here is what's on my eyes. And this is the Venus 3. So this is from Lime Crime. I hadn't tried Lime Crime in like a hot minute because they kind of had issues back in the day. I'm not sure if like somebody else is the owner now, but I was one of those people where my credit card was stolen online, which, you know, that happens with a lot of brands. But the problem with Lime Crime back in those days, like years ago, was that they didn't really come clean about it until it was like already happening and too late for people to realize that they had a breach. But supposedly they've done so much better. So, you know, I'm all about giving people second chances. I hate cancel culture. So yeah, so I think that this palette's super cute. I love the packaging on here. I think Lime Crime is also sold at Ulta now. I remember loving their like liquid lipsticks. So I think that because of that little incident, they had like a little bit of issue. But like I said, you know, sometimes you gotta give people a second chance. Like you would want a second chance, right? Okay, so this is a purple palette, which if you know me, you know that purple is my shizness. This is my jam. So I am in love with this, and they're super pigmented. They blend really nicely, as you can see there. Really flattering, Melissa. But very beautiful palette. The shades on here are just very beautiful. I am going to do more looks on my Instagram, hopefully. If I'm able to, you guys are seeing the look that I did. It's very simple. It's just like 2 or 3 shades all together here on the lid. Just did something very simple. But yeah, very beautiful palette. The shades in here blend like a dream. Very beautiful packaging. And this is $38. Next thing in here is the Too Faced. Damn, girl! I don't know why I wanted to say it like that, but that is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. And this is for shameless, thick and thick and curled lashes. So this is $26. I am all about big chunky mascara. I love me some thickening mascara. So oh, that's cute. The packaging is super cute on here. So I did not try this on camera. Oh man, I hate when the brush is like this. These kinds of brushes are so big and I got small eyes. So let's go ahead and try it on here. At the same time, I'll just put it underneath my lashes. Yeah, I don't like when a brush is this big just because my eyes, like, look at this. Look at that. They're just so big. So, I'm already testing it out. I'll probably put it into rotation, but I am not a fan of big wands. Like, I like medium to small wands to thin ones, and sadly, damn girl, you thick. So I will test this out and see how I like it, but off the bat I can already tell that the wand is like, it's an infinity brush, but it is way too thick for me. Next thing in here is by Maven Beauty. I've seen this brand around. I'm not sure where they sell it. I want to say Ulta, but I've seen a few people talk about it, and this is the Rose Water Setting Spray, and this comes with 3.38 fluid ounces. It says that roses have the highest vibrational frequencies on the planet. So it's supposed to be aura lifting, and it's supposed to have good intentions with your makeup. And it has rose water, and it's supposed to lock it down and prevent smudging on your makeup for 16 hours. So this is what the bottle looks like. I'm always for trying a new setting spray. This is how it sprays, and I feel like it's a little bit forceful, but not too much. So it does come out really nicely. This is $22. So that's what it comes out like, and it smells really nicely, like a light scent of roses. So I really like it. I will be putting that into rotation as well. Next thing in here is by Cab Cosmetics, and this is the hydrating lip oil. I did try this on before I put on my lip product, and this is in Blue Raspberry. It's basically like just a clear lip gloss, but the smell of this, it smells like candy or something, and I really like the smell of it. So it's just a clear gloss like that. It does have a really big doe applicator. You guys probably won't see anything because literally it's just a clear like lip oil, but it's really, really good. It's really hydrating, and it just leaves your lips like super luscious and oily and like, so I really like it. And it says that this is $20 and it comes in 6 different tints. I would think that you don't need every single tint. You may just want to go with a flavor, because this one's blueberry, blue raspberry,